September 5th. Remember I told y'all I was stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to a car meet. Today is the day of the car meet. What am I doing? I'm driving. I'm on the way to the car wash to get my car clean because you can't go to a car meet with a dirty car. My car isn't dirty, but I just got it washed probably like 4 or 5 days ago, literally. But I'm getting it washed again because, like I said, you can't go to the car meet with a dirty car. So I'm going there. I'm finna clean it up real quick. And then I'm gonna go to the house. I'm gonna get ready. It starts at 3. I think what time is it right now? I think it just turned 1 o'clock right now. So I'm just gonna get ready. Go ahead and yeah, I think my brother going with me, my little sister, and DJ's going. Yeah. Oh, y'all, I got another video where DJ was teaching me how to do a burnout. I'm gonna upload that after the car show. So it's gonna be learning how to do a burnout, or my first time doing a burnout. I don't know which one. I haven't chose, which is why I haven't. It's filmed already, but that's why it's not uploaded yet. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get to the car wash. And yeah, bye. All right, y'all, I'm at the car wash again. Like y'all just saw in the video, I literally just uploaded a couple days ago when I was at the car wash. But I'm here again, and it's a different one, y'all. This one is blue in the inside. The other one was red. Oh, and this one is pink in the inside. All right, but y'all ain't got to see the car wash again. I think.
Hey, y'all, it's your boy Drippy J. Ji'Hyah, little brother. You know what I'm saying? We just got the car clean. Yeah. We got the car clean. We got the inside.
Come on. Look at your dirt. Back on the carpet. All right, come on. Don't show the. All right, y'all. Now I'm finally back in the car, and and I'm dressed. I didn't really put on anything for real. I just put on this like little 2-piece outfit. If you know, this from my mama clothing line, but you be on Fashion Nova or something like that, you'll see these outfits. But right now I'm stopping to get some food before we go there. DJ's finally in the car. It took him 3 hours to get dressed. My little sister is over there. My little brother is over there. We're getting some Zaxby's before we go because we got like it said 46 minutes. So 46-minute drive to, if you live in Atlanta, then you know where Stonecrest Mall is. All the way out there. But yeah, I just put on something comfortable on these. With my sparkly headband. My white purse. Don't look at my nail. I gotta get my nail done again. And my shoes. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna get there though. Say bye, y'all. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, y'all. Damon, say bye. No, with your mouth.
All
and
right,
pull up.
Bye.
And Jay don't gotta be in it because he hear me saying say bye. So bye, y'all. I'm out here at the show now. Hold on. We lining up. So I got my car. This one nice. This one nice. I like the lights on it. Bro, look at the lights on that car. Ooh. Nice. Let me back up so y'all can see for real. Let me back all the way up. Oh yeah. I'm getting everybody cars. I was gonna wait to see if some more cars pull up, y'all, but everybody cars ain't pulling up. Bro, I didn't want a Challenger at first, but they make me want a Challenger, bro. Hold on. Let's not forget this one. Let's not forget. This the lady who hosted the ride though. Bro, I brought my, oh well, y'all already seen them though. About to see, got everybody cars out here. They go all the way up. And nice. Ain't clean. Everybody got, what you got? This a Hemi. That's a Hemi. on. Let me see. My bad. Yeah, that's about it, y'all. For the rear. Oh, hold on. Right there. Look, they finna have an accident over there. Can't get in over here, no sir. Yeah, them things nice. I knew. They hit me too. What she call her car? She call her car Smoke. It's called Smoke. Ain't nice. Wait, y'all. Okay, now everybody, we finna finally pull off after they've been talking all day. Hold on.
I know.
Let me pull this up.
Got all those humans.
Maybe I should come out here this way. See everybody pull out. Or maybe that person gonna be the tail. Wait. Cause she letting all the chargers out in front of her. Hold on. I will go. Yeah, you seen that? Oh, she let us out. I was about to say, I was about to curse her. Tonight, roll that window up because the arrow is hot. It's really no way for me to film that. That's something that somebody else would have to drive on the side of you and film. Like all the cars.
We didn't link up with the rest of the cars.
I go to that
I don't know if I can see that.
Alright, look at me. Look at me. If there's a winner.
I got
That's right. From the clothes to the car.
hit me thing, but that was.
I got a hit. It's an RT, but it got a hit me.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tough. Yes sir. Tough. Tough. Yeah. Then all the rest of the cars we was already with. All of the cars right here. What? You said what?
Everybody right.
All the cars right here. Said what? I like this. I like this. Yeah.
You can leave the music on because it can be copyrighted. It's fine.
Fuck that shit, nigga, we bouncing. Feet kicked up like a recliner. I bought every money, no shilling.
At the quick trip, everybody finna get up. I mean, not get up. Everybody finna go get their gas and stuff. That's really it. Hold on, let me show y'all. The baby is, she looking clean, right? I went and got my sis a wax today. This is my first time getting a wax. I think I'm gonna get a wax all the time, cause yeah, We're gonna go ahead and get some stuff done to that car. I don't know, y'all. Everybody out here with RTs and Hemis and all that. It might be time for me to, you know what I'm saying, step my game up. You know, I just got this, but I'm gonna change it eventually. One day I'm gonna move up. I'm just starting though right now though, so it don't even matter. But yeah, we out here at Quick Trip getting our gas. Oh, they getting snacks and stuff too. We just ate. We stopped and ate before. We already stopped and ate our food before, so I ain't even stopped to get us no food. But they in the car. I really should be driving, but type of shoes I got on, they don't want me to drive. My shoes too hard, so I ain't even finna drive. But I should be driving. It's my car, right? But yeah, y'all. I think we finna pull off, so I'm gonna get back in the car. Y'all, I took my headband off because I don't know, I just want to sit in it. Y'all, it's so hot out here. If you live in Atlanta, boy, you know it's hot. Dude over there trying to show off in his challenger. It's not a Hemi, not none of that. I forgot one side. This car is everywhere. Let me let that car go. I have posted up at the QT. Let me get everybody cars going this way. Yeah, everybody out here. Hold on. Yeah. Go down. Cars over there.
All right, I'm gonna go. I gotta get this. We gotta get this thing organized because I'm losing people. I can't lose them.
Hold on. Y'all, so this their first ride out, so they really trying to get everything organized and all that stuff. So yeah, cause wasn't nobody blocking off the roads and all that stuff. So yeah, I went over there and I got it. Okay. I don't want to go over there. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Who was that? Dang, I missed the what's the name? The good that she be getting.